Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Contract Simplified, your space for decoding complex legal concepts with ease. I am Advocate Kritika and together we will turn tricky legal scenarios into interview-winning answers in this series of legal interview question and answer. Now let's dive straight into today's question. You received a redlined contract where the counterparty has replaced your mutual indemnity clause with a one sided indemnity in their favor. How do you respond? Tip for answering this question is always identify the risk shift, propose restoring balance, and suggest fallback positions. Also, show escalation if unresolved. The model answer would be this shifts the risk unfairly. I would reinstate the mutual indemnity, especially for third party claims due to breach or negligence, or at minimum negotiate carve outs if they insist on one sided indemnity. Example, limiting indemnity to IP infringement or willful misconduct. Ensure caps, time limits, and notice requirements are reasonable. Document this in red line with a justification comment and escalate to legal or commercial head if unresolved. That's just one way to tackle this scenario. There could be even better answers out there. Share your opinion in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let's grow and learn together.